In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to terminate an employee. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. If you select a location, that employee will only be inactivated or terminated at that location. If you want to terminate them everywhere, you need to select the enterprise. I'll go ahead and change this to enterprise. Then click on TeamWork again and choose Employees. From your list of employees, select the one you would like to terminate. Then choose Terminate from the left-hand column of your employee's personal information. TeamWork 5 is going to ask you to enter in a termination date, and they're letting you know that since you are in your enterprise, your employee will be inactivated at every location. So after the termination date, they will be cleared off the schedule. If this was in a specific location instead of the enterprise, I could still click on Terminate, but they would only be inactivated and wiped from the schedule for that one specific location. If you don't want to terminate your employee, choose Close. If you do, click on the calendar icon. Select a termination date, let's say the end of the week. Then choose Terminate. Now, instead of a Terminate button, there is a termination date entered into your employee's chart. You can also tell your employee's termination has gone through because next to the blue Save button is a green bar letting you know when this page was last changed. If you want to reactivate this employee, say they left and they came back, you can click on Reactivate and add them to one or more locations. I will go ahead and click on After Hours. If you don't want to reactivate them, choose Close. I do, so I'm going to choose Reactivate. And now that employee has been reactivated and that termination button has come back. That's how you can terminate an employee or inactivate them and bring them back. Check out the next video to learn how to assign and remove an employee from a folder.